friends, myself Siddharth Parasa, and today I will be sharing my views on a very bizarre object in space. Hope you like it. But first, let us look at this illustration. If I release this plate, it moves down. So what's the reason behind this phenomenon? Yes, you are correct. The Earth's gravitational force is pulling this plate towards the surface. Now, let me ask you to imagine a very weird place, a place where nothing can escape, not even electromagnetic radiations can escape. Yes, if you got it, you are correct. It's a black hole. Now, what do you know about this strange beast? Okay, if we search all over the web, we can find a numerous numbers of animated videos on black hole, and all at once are beautiful and meaning, but beyond belief and hinting destruction at a cosmic scale. Now, at first part of my speech, I said bizarre objects, and objects do have surface, but black hole don't have any surface. It has something what the astronomers call the event horizon, and this is the place where the gravitational force is showing its full power and it doesn't let anything to escape from it. Okay, let us now imagine a black hole to be a heavy ball in the middle of a rubber sheet. You can see it immediately created a funnel like depression, and it also resembles a tornado spout. Okay, congrats, if you have done it. You just have created a three-dimensional version of what happens in space-time in four dimension. The more massive the object becomes, the steeper the walls and the greater the well becomes, and it will take more energy to escape from it. Even electromagnetic radiation gets its energy reduced while escaping from a massive star's gravitational force. Now, when there were articles being written about the possibility of creating a black hole in the world's largest accelerator, that is the CERN's Large Hadron Collider, there were a great deal of concern roused among the non-scientific minds that these physicists were playing nice with the future of the planet. Now, let me first remind you that we cannot create black hole of mass less than 2 into 10 to the power minus 5 gram, and which is also known as Planck's mass. Now, Stephen Hawking, a great, renowned and successful scientist, have shown us that black holes can evaporate. The lower the mass of a black hole, the faster will it evaporate. A black hole of 30 solar masses will have a lifespan of 10 to the power 71 years. Okay, now there might be a question that what will be the time for evaporation of a black hole of mass less than 2 into 10 to the power minus 5 grams. So it's an excellent question, but nobody knows the answer because Hawking's theory doesn't work on black holes of mass less than 2 into 10 to the power minus 5 grams. But just for curiosity's sake, well, let's do the calculation. A black hole of mass 2 into 10 to the power minus 5 gram will evaporate in 10 to the power minus 39 seconds. That is, it can't be created because it will evaporate before it is created. Thank God we can't be destroyed. Now, let's come back to the topic. There is nothing more bizarre than a black hole. I think at least a neutron star shows itself and by its surface. Come, I have a surface, but black hole doesn't have any surface. Okay, now there won't be a place to stand. However, since there is no surface in a black hole, all the matters that went to create a black hole are in a point, a singularity. What about the tidal forces? Won't it tear us apart? Yes, it will indeed tear us apart. A Schwarzschild black hole of 3 solar mass will tear us apart in about 0.1 second before even reaching the event horizon. Now when we are going to the event horizon, we will turn apart in about 0.1 second, and our torn up parts will reach singularity in 0.00001 second. It's quite a small time. A black hole of mass 4 billion solar masses will allow us to pass the event horizon quite easily. But sooner, I mean to say sooner, because we will have only 13 seconds before we will be torn apart, and our torn up body parts will reach singularity in 0.15 seconds. The whole idea of black hole is totally bizarre for everyone, but especially for many astrophysicists who observe them, especially Jeffrey McClintock and John Miller. We know that the stellar mass black holes do exist, and they were discovered in 1971 when optical astronomers demonstrated that CYG X1 is a binary star system, and that one of the two star is a black hole. Hope you like my video on black hole. If you like,